Do you remember how to say, I speak Latin? Latīnē loquor. And here is how to say, he or she speaks Latin. Latīnē loquitur. Do you notice something strange here? Look at the next two sentences. Brian appellor. Leo rex animalium dicitur. These mean, I am called Brian, and the lion is called the king of animals. These are both passive sentences, but as you can see, the conjugation matches the first two sentences, even though these are not passive in meaning. Loquor is an example of a deponent verb. These are verbs that adopted the passive conjugation, but retained their active meaning. So, sequitur means I follow, and not I am followed. So do you understand this sentence now? Cur ille vir me sequitur? Why is that man following me? Or why does that man follow me? Did you notice that sequitur has an object, me? Deponent verbs are exactly like active verbs. It's only the conjugation that got changed. The problem is that there is no way to determine what words became deponent verbs, so we simply have to learn which words they are. But you can tell apart deponent verbs and passive verbs through context, because in passive sentences, the object becomes the subject. For example, the sentence, everyone loves Marīa, can be said the following way in passive form. Marīa ab omnibus amātur. Mary is loved by everyone. Mary is the one receiving the love. But in the following sentence, Mary is the one doing the action. Marīa nunquam queritur. Mary never complains. These verbs can be a little annoying, but they are also a good way to practice and learn passive conjugation. So watch out for the following verbs when you're reading.